Good morning, student. Once again, welcome back in maths class. Today, we should continue our exercise 1.6. So, till question number 3 we have done previous video. We will start from question number 4. Okay. So, question number 4. Arrange the following in ascending and descending order. In question 3 also we are having ascending and descending order. The same one is there also, but in what's the difference? In question 3 we don't have commas and there is already inserted comma. You should write only in ascending and descending order. Okay, in both order you should write here also. So the process will be same. First of all, we should in the ascending order we arrange from smallest to largest. So first of all we will take the smallest number, then large, then large, then large. And in descending order, largest to smallest. So first of all we will take the big number, then small, small, small. So like this we have to arrange in ascending and descending order. And the comparing process also will be same. There will be, firstly we will check the digits. Okay, if digits are same, then we compare the first digit from left hand side, then second, then third, then fourth, like this we have to compare. Okay, so first of all we will check the digits. See the A part, there is given 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Then second number 1 2 3 4 5. In third also 1 2 3 4 5. In fourth 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there is the largest digit. When digits are largest means the number is the largest. So this number will come in the last. So at the fourth number means on the last number this will come. Okay. Then now we compare these three numbers because these all three are having 5 digits. 5 5 5. So now what will we do? We check first column from left hand side. So there is 3, there is 8, there is 2. So you can see that which one is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. So in ascending order 2 will come on the first number. Then after that 3 is big. Then on the second number this will come. And after that 8. So this will come on the third number. And in the last this. These will come in the ascending order. We put the numbering according to the ascending order. This is small, then big, then big, then big. And in descending order, opposite of that. That will come on the first, then second, then third, and it will be in the last. Okay. So now we arrange. So first of all, we have 26,491. So 26,491. Now which symbol we put? Because there is ascending order. So in ascending order we arrange from small to big. So first number is the smallest. So we should put there less than symbol. Okay. Then next is second number 30,572. So 30,572. Then next again we put the less than symbol. Then on the third number what will come? On the third number 80,569. So we write here 80,569. And now on the last 3,96,320. So again we put the less than symbol. Then 3,96,320. And this is finished. So when we arrange in ascending order, we always write less than symbol. We should put this less than symbol because first number is less, then big, then big, then big. Okay. Now we should arrange this in the descending order. So in descending order, what we do? First of all, we should write the largest number. So largest one is this. So first of all, we write 3,96,320. Now which symbol we put there? There we will put greater than symbol because first number is the greater. Okay. So now greater than symbol. Then after that which one is there? This one 80,000 569. 69. Then next, again we put greater than symbol. Then next one is 30,572. 30,572. And last one is which? 26,491. Okay. So when we arrange in descending order, we put greater than symbol because first is greater than small then small then small. And in ascending order, less than symbol. Okay. Now its B part. Here is given. There is also 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers are separated by dot and comma. And these are the period separation. Commas. Okay. So first of all, for comparing, again we check the digits in each number. So in first number, how many digits are there? You will see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in first number we are having 6 digit number. In second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6 digit number. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 digit number. That means this is big and these both are small. The next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also 7 digit number. So these both are the 7 digit number and these two are the 6 digit number. So these two are smaller and these two are greater. Now we compare these numbers. So firstly these are the greater. So firstly we compare these two, then we compare these two. So here is first column from left hand side. There is 4 and there is 7. That means 4 is small, 7 is big. So this number in ascending order will come on the first and this will on the second. Now we compare these both. So in these both, this is 3 and this is 7. So 3 is small and 7 is big. So that means this number will come on the third and this will come on the fourth. How these are given? The same way we have to write in ascending order. This number already given in ascending order. So now we arrange in ascending order. So first number is the smallest one. So we write first number on the first. 4 lakhs 43,376. Now which symbol we put? Less than symbol because first number is the smallest one. So we put there less than symbol. Then next is 7 lakhs 60,152. Again we put less than symbol because this is the smaller than third number. So now third number is what? 35 lakhs 12,960. Again we put there less than symbol because third number is smaller than fourth number and fourth number is 70 lakhs 23,785. Okay. Now next we should arrange the same number in descending order. So for descending order, largest one will come on the first number. So we should write this one on the first number. 70 lakhs 23,785. This is the largest. So we should put there greater than symbol because this is the greatest number. Then on the second number 35 lakhs 12,960. Then next is again we put greater than symbol because this will be the greater. Then on the third number this 7 lakhs 60,152. Then again greater than symbol because this will be the greater than fourth number. Fourth number is 4 lakhs 43,376. Now finish these all. Okay, so like this you have to arrange in descending order. Here you should write only in ascending and descending order and take care about the symbols. In ascending order less than symbol, in descending order greater than symbol. Now we will do question number 5. Yes, now Question number 5. Form the greatest and smallest number by using the given digit only once. Means only आपको one time you have to use. Okay. And you should make greatest and smallest number. There is not given that make the greatest 5-digit number, 6-digit, 7-digit. Like this there is not given. There is given only greatest and smallest. So that means how many digits are given? By them only you should make the greatest and smallest. Okay, and only one digit you should use only one time. You should not repeat them. Okay, only one time you can use. So now you will see there is given in A part 2, 8, 6, 0, 9, 5. So whenever we arrange in whenever we are making the greatest number, we should arrange the digits from greatest to smallest. And when we make the number, so we don't put the commas. Here is given commas, so that's why these are the digits. But when we make number, so we don't put the commas. Okay. So when you make the number, you will not put the commas. And now we make the greatest number, so we should arrange them from greater to small. So first of all we will see that which is the greatest one, 9. So first of all we write there 9. Now 8, after that 6, then 5, then 2 and then 0. Now you will count that how many digits are given there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are given there. So in the number also there will be 6 digits. So you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have taken all the digits. You will not leave a single digit. Every digit you will take. And in greatest number you should arrange them from greater to small. And you will not put here commas. Only you can put comma to separate the periods. So now we can put here comma for separating the period. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the number become 9,86,520. Okay. But after every digit we will not put the commas. Now next smallest number, by them we should make the smallest number. So in smallest number we arrange from small to big. First of all smallest digit, then big, then big, then big. So which is the smallest one here? 0. But if we write 0 in the beginning, so this 0 has no value. So the number will become 5-digit number. You arrange like this: 0, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. So now it's become 25,689. And this will be the 5-digit number. There is no value of this 0. That means this will be wrong. If 0 is not there, then you arrange from small to big. Small, big, big, big. Like this you have to arrange. But here is given 0. So you will not take this 0 in the beginning. Okay. Because 0 has no value in the beginning. So what you will do? Before 0 you will write the next small digit. Okay. So after 0, which is the smallest next is 2. 0 is the smallest, but in the beginning we will not use 0. So after 0, what is there? 2. So now we use in the beginning 2. And now we can use 0 because now 0 has the value. So now we will use 0. Okay. Now next small is what? 5. Now 5, then 6, then 8 and then 9. Okay. So take care about that. If 0 is there, so 0 will not write in the beginning because there is no value of 0 in the beginning. Digit will be less. Okay. So now we can put commas to separate the period. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it's become 2,05,689. Okay. So like this you have to arrange in greatest and smallest number. Now it's B part. There is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is also 6 digit given. So the same way you should arrange in greatest and smallest number. So greatest number, for greatest number, which is the greatest? 9, then 7, then 4, then 3, then 1 and then 0. Okay, we should arrange from greater to small. Now we should put commas to separate the period. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and this is lakhs. 9,74,310. Okay. The same way you should arrange in smallest number also. So you will see that first of all smallest is 0 and 0 we will not take in the beginning. So after 0 next small is what? 1 here. So first of all we take here 1, then 0, then next small is what? 3, then next is what? 4, then 7, then 9. So now we put commas to separate the period. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So it's become 1,03,479. So like this you have to arrange in greatest and smallest number. Means in smallest if you have 0, so you will not write 0 in the beginning. In greatest there is no effect. There is 0, any number can be there. You should arrange the same process greatest to smallest. But in smallest take care, if you have 0, so before 0 you will take next small digit. Okay. Now next question, question 6. Write the greatest and smallest 8-digit number. Now there is given fixed 8-digit number. Okay. Using the digits. Now digits are given here 8, 6, 7, 5, 2 and 3. Now there is given 2 of the digits can be repeated. Why we repeat here? Because there is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. There is given 6 digit and number you have to make 8 digit. So that means we require 2 more digit. By 6 digit we can make 6 digit number. And question is asking 8 digit number. That means 2 more digit we require. So for that 2 digit we can repeat the digit. Now which one we have to repeat? For the greatest we always repeat the greatest digit. And for the smallest we always repeat the smallest digit. But if there is smallest one 0. So before 0 we write the smallest digit and then we repeat the 0. But now in this question we are not having 0. So which is the smallest digit that we have to repeat. But if there we require of repetition, so we should repeat in this type question we should repeat 0. In this we will not repeat 1. In this type question we should repeat 0 if we requirement. But this type question is not given to you. There is given this 8, 6, 7, 5, 2 and 3. Now we should start our solution. Okay. So greatest 8-digit number. For the greatest what we do? We should repeat the greatest digit. So which is the greatest here? 8. That means 2 times we require repetition. So for that 2 we should repeat 2 times 8 more. Okay. So we should write greatest. We should write here greatest 8-digit number. Now 8, 8. 2 times we have repeated and now we should arrange them greater to small. So 8, then 7, then 6, then after 6, 5, then 3, then 2. 5, 3, 2. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Okay. So we repeat greatest. Okay. Now we can put comma. Ones, tens, hundred, ones period. Thousand, 10,000, thousand period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, lakhs period. And this is crore. 8 crore, 88 lakhs, 76,532. Now we should make it smallest. So smallest 8-digit number. So for smallest we should repeat smallest digit. Smallest is what is there? 2. That means 2 times more we should repeat 2. So 2, 2. And now we arrange from smallest to largest. So smallest is 2, then 3, then 5, then 6, then 7 and then 8. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we make 8 greatest, smallest 8-digit number. Okay. Now we should put commas to separate the period. So ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, and there is crore. So 2 crore, 22 lakhs, 35,672. 8. Okay. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. So like this you have to solve the exercise. So complete your questions. Thank you.